Hello, welcome. Today's video I'm going to be unboxing bags. I ordered a few bags from Sac of Fifth or Sac Fifth Avenue of Fifth. They were having good specials, 20% off their bags, designer bags. So I got a few more from FURLA, and let me show you the ones I got. I do recommend, if you are looking for handbags that are not that luxurious and that you can afford, you can go to check the or maybe sign up for emails at Sac Fifth Avenue and Sac Fifth Avenue of Fifth, because they have sometimes 20% off extra from their clearance, and also 20% off extra from whatever products they have available. I do recommend to check those websites because Sac Fifth Avenue have good products, and I like that they have good offers. So that's what I was going to say. Sign up for emails, and if you're interested in buying good things for good prices. Both Sac Fifth Avenue of Fifth and Sac Fifth Avenue, because they have good specials and they are always sending coupons like 20% off or extra 25% off, and this extra 25% off on that. So it's good. So that's my recommendation. I always talk too much, but let's go to the main theme of this video: unboxing FURLA bags. Okay, let's do it. Oh, this looks big. Yay. This is the first bag. And this is from FURLA. I really like my first FURLA. I really like my little first bag for FURLA. I did the unboxing video, and it's here on my channel. If you wanna go check it out. The audio is not that good on that video. I hope in this one is better. And this is a big bag. Let's open it and see how it is from the inside. Oh, this is my tote. Oh, and I like that it comes with a protective bag. To me, these are cute bags and basic and nice. They are good looking bags for the price, and they supposed to be leather. So that's one of the things I decided to get this one. One, because they are not so popular. Second, they are accessible. And third, they are leather bags. Accessible, economically speaking. Look, this is a really nice bag. This is a really, really nice bag, but this one has the logo a little bigger. So this is how it looks like. It has the logo in the front here, like I show you. It has a big zipper here. I'm gonna show you the inside in a little bit. But this is a really, really good size bag. I don't remember what is the name of this bag. Like, the brand is FURLA, but the style name, I don't remember. Minerva. This is Minerva Tote. So the style is Minerva. And I really like this tote because it has the zipper and it has a very good size. I'm gonna show you in a little bit how it looks like. Because here I have a very, very small space here. Let me show you the inside. Let's remove this. Ah, look at this. Now you can see it. The metallic details are gold, as you can see here. The zipper and everything is gold. This is how it looks from the inside. It has 3 compartments. It has the big one here, it has the one with the zipper, and it has another one. So it has three spaces. Let's remove the paper so you can see better. Now you can see better. Let's open the zipper. Vamos a abrir la bolsa de zipper. Oh, this is big. I like to keep the paper because when I'm not using it, I put it back inside so it can maintain the form. Wow, this is a big. This has a lot of big space. This is a really nice tote. So this is how it is. If you are looking to see a video on how this bag looks like, this is how it looks like. It's really nice. You can put it on your shoulder and let's go. If you have kids, this is also good because you can put everything in there. You can put the wipes, you can put your phone, you can have a face mask. This is a little bag inside for your phone or your wallet. Oh, it has another bag, another little pocket inside of the zipper. Big pocket. Oh, and it has another zipper bag inside. And wow, this bag have so many little pockets inside, and it has the magnetic button, magnetic clips. Ooh, now it's closed. That's how it looks when it's closed. And these buttons are magnetic. They don't clip by themselves that easy. I really like this bag. I'm happy with my purchase. I just wish they had a brown one or a nude one, but they didn't have it. I really want a nude one on this price point because it was on a special, and I purchased it because 21%. It was 25% extra, so it was a good price for a good product. Because you can bring everything here. You can bring your travel size cosmetics, your travel size facial care, your wipes, your tablet, your phone, and your document, everything you need in here. And it's very good looking. Very good looking tote. I don't know if I am going to make this video 2 parts, but if I make 2 parts of this video, go and check the other one. Go and check the other bag. I have a problem with my shoulders. Well, it's not a problem, but my shoulders are really narrow and small, and all the bags that I wear in my shoulders, they always fall. But it's not the bag problem, it's just how my body is. But it's okay because I can just always put it like that and it stays there for longer. This is it. See you in my next video.